Yes. So yesterday we have completed lesson 7, textbook exercises. I hope all are present. Still, Hindi children, are they present? Number is very less. Are all Hindi learning children and Telugu learning children present? Yesterday we have completed lesson 7, textbook exercises. So classwork is remaining. Today we will not be doing, okay? So why? Because next week you have science class. So you don't have social. So when we have social class, we will be writing, okay? So till then, you learn. Of course, you will be having, okay, exam, third unit exam. So for that, you will be preparing, okay? So yesterday, some of the parents were asking to share the screenshot of textbook exercises, term 2, okay? So term 2, so 4 lessons we have completed. So today I'll be sharing with you textbook exercises. So all those who have done, you can check once again. All those who did not complete, you can complete or take the screenshot. Okay. So now from the beginning, term 2, okay, not term 1, term 2 lessons from the beginning, we will be going through page by page. Okay, children? So if all of you take the textbook first, take your textbook, take your pencil and eraser. So if anything is missing, so you can write by looking at the screen. If you have missed anything, and those who have not completed, you can do it. So for each page, maybe 2-3 minutes, 3 minutes I'll be giving, okay? So if you are able to write it fast. So those who are not able to write, I request the parents to take the screenshot. So I'm going to display textbook exercises, okay? Page wise. So now first lesson, of course in the textbook we are having lesson 4, okay? So lesson 4, if you look at starting from page 123, lesson 4 starting from page 123. So on 23 you have got a small activity that the beginning of the lesson you have a small activity that you have to do by yourself. Already I told you. So you have to write the names of your neighbors, those who live near to your house. Names of your neighbors, 2 names you have to write. That you will do by yourself. Now, next one you have, take the page 25. Page 25. Is it okay, sir? Page 25, we have 2 MCQs. Two MCQs you have. On same page, you have exercises, okay? Quiz and again tick the correct answers. On page 125, to make it clear, so I have zoomed it, okay, but it is same page. Next, page 26. Page 26. So continuation of these, tick the correct answers. And filling the blanks we have. And for these questions, already we have done in the class work. Next, true or false? On same page. Ready, children? Next, we have lesson 5, festivals. So, beginning of the lesson, activity is given. You have to identify the pictures and write name of the festival, okay, that is being celebrated. Identify the pictures and name the festivals being celebrated. On page 27. Page 27. Page 27. Next we have page 28. Tick the correct answers. 2 questions are there. And exercises starting. Exercise A, oral question. So under oral question, which is your favorite festival? So that you will write on your own. And next, the second one you have, name the festival of colors. So oral question, which is your favorite festival? That you will write on your own, okay? Why? Because each one is having different favorite festivals, okay? So according to you, what is your favorite festival? You write the name. Next, second one, name the festival of colors. Holi. Answer, okay? Next page you have Page 129. Take the page 129. So quiz on page 129, exercise B quiz. 2 questions are there. Under exercise C, 3 questions are there. Next, filling the blanks, 2 are there. And exercise E, you have written the answers in the classwork. Next, tick the correct answers. So I'll zoom it. Exercise D, filling the blanks. Next, tick the correct answers. Ready, children? So next we have locating a place. Page 130, locating a place. Beginning of the lesson, you have activity. Look at the picture given below and complete the sentences. Look at the picture given below and complete the sentences. Page 130. First one, the flower is in my dash hand. So while explaining the lesson, I have told you which side is your left and which side is your right. So here, now the boy is holding. So according to boy's side. So the boy is asking, the flower is in my dash hand. So he is having flower in his left hand. Next, the balloon is in my dash hand. So where is he having, in which hand is he having? He is having balloon in his right hand. Okay. Ready, children? Next you take. So wherever there are exercises, those only I have taken, children. Page 31 you take. Page 31. Lesson 6, page 31. So look at the map and tick the correct word. So based on this map, they have given 3 questions. So the hospital is to the dash, that is left or right of Mandi's house. So left or right? So this is Mandi's house and this is the hospital. Okay. So the hospital is to the left of Mandi's house. This is left. This is Mandi's house. Left of Mandi's house. The answer is left. Second one, the school is behind or in front of Mandi's house. So this is Mandi's house. Again, the school is located here. So that means here, is it front or behind of Mandi's house? The school is behind of Mandi's house. So behind. So underline it and tick it, children. Third one, the temple is to the left or right of Mandi's house. So where do you find the temple? So this is temple. Okay. So to the right. Next exercises. Exercise A. What is the drawing of a specific area called? Map. Exercise B. Quiz. Observe the picture and complete the sentence. So this is the picture. You observe it. What is the boy doing? The boy is bending. How is he bending? Forward or backward? He is bending forward. Okay. So forward. So look at this arrow. So he is bending forward. Answer is forward. Exercise C. Tick the correct answers. So 3 questions have given. I go dash the ladder to reach the terrace. Up, down, in. To teach the terrace. Okay. So answer is up. Underline and tick it. So here blank is given. You can write the blank. Next, I bend dash to tie the shoelaces. So forward, backward, sideways. So you bend to which side to tie your shoelaces? You bend forward. Okay. Third one, Neha makes a map on a piece of paper to help Rohan to reach city library from their school. What value do you learn from Neha? So here the answer is to be helpful. Underline and tick it. Okay. Next, you take the page 132. 132 page. So under exercise D, filling the blanks. Next, tick the correct answers and fun time. And exercise E already we have done in the classwork. So those are question and answers already we have done. Exercise D, filling the blanks with the help of the given words. While reading, I keep the book in dash of me, front of me. So do you keep your book in front or behind? You don't keep behind, isn't it? You keep the book in front of you while reading. Next, my left and right hands are in dash direction, opposite. So exercise E we have done in the class work. Next, test yourself, pick the correct answers. It tells us where different places are located. Map, soil, blackboard. So among these three, which one tells where different places are located? It is map. Next, second question, when I am sitting in the class, the blackboard is dash me, behind, up, in front of. So the blackboard is in front of you when you sit in the classroom. So answer is in front of. So underline and tick it. Okay. Next we have fun time. First, this is the map or picture given, children. So they are asking where different things are located. Okay. So who is front of the boy? A dog. What can you see behind the boy? Sun. Where is the house? On left side of the boy or on the right side of the boy? House is on the right side of the boy. Fourth one, where is the tree? On left side of the boy. Okay. Take the screenshot, those who have not completed. Okay, children. Now, so this also please take the screenshot. What is that? So this is the syllabus for your third unit exam. So date and time will be announced afterwards. Why? Because today is my last social class. So I want to give you the syllabus for third unit online exam. So subject to social marks 25, syllabus, term 2, textbook. So 3 lessons we are having. Lesson 4, our neighborhood, pages I have mentioned. Lesson 5, festivals, pages I have mentioned. Lesson 6, locating a place, I have mentioned, okay. This is the model paper, same as usual what you had earlier. Multiple choice questions, 15 into 1, 15, true or false, 10 into 10, 10 into 1, 10. Altogether you have for 25 marks, okay. So take the screenshot. Next, lesson 7, children, we will have, yesterday we have completed, but those who were absent yesterday, so I want to give so lesson 7. So here, means of transport, lesson 7, yesterday we have done. Page 133 you take. Page 133. Color the box red for the vehicles with 2 wheels and blue for the vehicles with 4 wheels. So here 1 and 3 red, 2 and 4 blue. Okay. So this we have done yesterday. Names of the vehicles. So filling these circles. చూపించారా పేజ్ వైస్ ఒక్కొక్క ఎక్సర్సైజ్ జూమ్ చేసి చూపించాను నేను అంతలోకి రాసేస్తాను. టేక్ నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ చిల్డ్రన్.
మేడం ఇన్ని పేజెస్ ఏం లేవుగా మేడం.
ఎందుకు లేదు? టేక్ నెక్స్ట్ పేజ్ మా. Take next page. Take next page, children. Lesson 7. So the last page you take. Ready? So now okay, now look at the board, children. So I have written on the board, those who were unable to take the screenshot of portion 3rd unit online exam. Okay, 25 marks syllabus I have written. So 3 lessons. Please take the screenshot. So that will be announced later, okay? So far we haven't got. Today is my last social class. That's what I'm displaying my syllabus, okay? So for all the subjects you will be getting syllabus, okay, by next week. So please take the screenshot. What is written on the board? Okay, children. So good afternoon and thank you very much. So have a nice time and prepare well. So this is going to be your homework. We have to learn all textbook exercises. Okay, pages I have mentioned, lesson 4, 5, 6. Pages are mentioned. Okay, don't be confused. So learn them. Okay, all the exercises for the exam. So prepare well for the exam. Thank you, children.